To replace your muffler, you're going to need to safely raise and support your vehicle. For additional assistance with that task, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. Shown here is the underside of the Boxster. There are a few pipes and brackets that need to be disconnected in order to remove the muffler. A. This is the catalytic converter side of the U-shaped pipe. 2 clamps hold this connection together. B. The other side of the U-shaped pipe is clamped to the muffler. C. The top side of the muffler is bolted to the bracket on the back of the transmission. See the blue arrows in photo 3, the next slide, for details on studs that connect to this bracket. D. The rear catalytic converters are supported by a small bracket shown here, which is left attached to the muffler. Here is a shot of the top of the Dance Sport muffler. The top muffler bracket that spans the length of the muffler is attached to the studs welded onto the muffler, orange arrow. The bracket has studs that then mate with the bracket that is affixed to the transmission. The whole goofy setup seems way too complicated to me, but it appears to work fine. In 2005, Porsche redesigned the whole exhaust system and made it a lot simpler. The muffler now has a built-in catalytic converter. It attached at the rear of the car, yellow arrow, and also supported by clamps in the middle, red arrow. An additional bracket in the center provides an additional support, green arrow. The mufflers are attached to the exhaust manifolds all the way on the other side of the axles, orange arrows. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.